Welcome to this video where I'll showcase a dynamic dashboard that helps businesses monitor their accounts receivable health and customer due balances. Built entirely in Excel with a modern design, it uses VBA macros and formulas. I will demonstrate how to use the dashboard and even share it with you for free. So stay tuned with me. Hello. For years, I've been talking about data and tech with my friend, Receivable. Now, I'm excited to share it with you, my new friends. The Data-Driven YouTube channel. Hello, I'm Musa and welcome to the Data-Driven channel. While tools like Power BI and Tableau are popular for building dashboards, Excel remains a powerhouse for data analysis in certain situations. Not only is it widely available and familiar to most users, but it's also simple to navigate. In this video, I'll share a dashboard I built in Excel, showcasing its capabilities for creating professional, functional dashboards. Before we begin, I want to let you know that you can download this Excel file for free from my GitHub. You'll find the link in the video description below. Now let's explore the dashboard together. Upon opening the workbook, you'll notice 4 tabs or sheets. The main dashboard is where we'll spend most of our time. The pivot sheet is the engine room, where all calculations happen and chart data is stored. The remaining 2 sheets contain our raw data. For demonstration purposes, I've used dummy data that's randomly generated. You'll find 2 tables, a customer database and an invoice database with the latest payment details. The pivot sheet is where the magic happens. It's filled with various creation types, mostly built using formulas. While I explored numerous metrics during development, I had to be selective about what made it to the final dashboard. As we navigate through the dashboard, I'll explain the analysis we are using. Now, let's dive into the dashboard itself. We'll start with the first page, which provides an overall accounts receivable overview. In the top left corner, you'll see the as of date. This acts as a filter for all the data displayed. Try clicking the calendar icon to change the date. You'll see all the values update in real time. This feature is particularly useful for analyzing past conditions or projecting future scenarios. Moving to the right of the date, you'll find a status bar displaying various metrics related to due balances. It shows total amounts, breaking them down into within due and overdue categories. You'll also see the trailing 6-month DSO, Days Sales Outstanding, which represents the average number of days it takes to collect payments over the last half year. Below the status bar, we have a series of informative charts. Let's quickly walk through each one. First, the aging analysis chart divides the due balance into age buckets. Next, we have an overdue balance breakdown by region. The cash inflow chart compares actual with estimates and includes a 3-month forecast based on invoice due dates. Our trend analysis provides a 12-month comparison of sales and due balances. Finally, we have a top 10 customers ranked by overdue balance. All these charts dynamically update based on the as of date you select. Let's move on to the second page, which focuses on individual customer due balances. You'll notice the same date filter in the top right corner. On the left, we have a drop-down list of customers. You can easily search and select a specific customer to analyze. This page is packed with valuable insights. In the top left, you'll see the selected customers' name, country, and region. Below that are various metrics, each with rank information comparing the customers to all others. To the right, a bar chart shows the percentage of the customers' due balances that is disputed, flagged as bad debt, or overdue. In the bottom right, you'll find the credit limit and utilization rate, complete with a dynamic icon that warns you if the credit limit is exceeded. The other portion of this page features charts similar to those on the first page, but focus solely on the selected customer. As you change the customer selection, you'll see all these charts update accordingly. Before we wrap up, I'd like to highlight an extra feature I've added for enhanced visual appeal. You may have noticed the Show/Hide UI button. Clicking this hides almost all of Excel's user interface, leaving you with a clean, focused view of just the dashboard. To return to the normal view, simply click the button again. This feature is perfect for presentations or when you want to minimize distractions. And there you have it. You've now seen the full capabilities of this Excel-based account receivable dashboard. As promised, you can find all the project files, including the VBA script and the complete Excel file, on my GitHub. The link is in the description below. Please check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I'm considering creating a full tutorial on how to build this dashboard from scratch. If that's something you'd be interested in, please let me know by leaving a like and a comment. Your feedback will help me gauge interest and plan future content. Thanks again, and I hope you found this helpful. Until next time.